In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your country and region settings on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. Select time and language on the left panel. And then on the right side, select language and region. And then scrolling down underneath region where it says country or region, you can click the drop-down menu and select a different country. And you can do the same thing for the regional format as well. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.